So, you're wondering what is exactly API in computer science? Now, think of API, or short for Application Program Interface, as sort of a translator or bridge between different software programs here. Now, imagine you're at a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want. The waiter takes your request to the kitchen and the kitchen prepares it, and then the waiter brings it back to you. Now, you don't need to know how the kitchen works here. The waiter handles everything for you. And that's basically what an API does in computer science. Now, when two programs need to work together, they use an API to talk to each other without knowing the inner workings of the other programs. Think of it like, let's just say you're sending a message here and asking for the result. Now, for example, you open a weather app on your phone. Now, the app doesn't collect weather data on its own. Instead, it sends requests to a weather service API, and the API fetches the data and sends it back so the app can show you today's forecast. Now, APIs are useful because they let software connect quickly without building everything from scratch here. And also, it makes it possible for different systems, even though ones built in different languages, to work together. And also, it allows developers to add features without reinventing the wheel. Now, there are different kinds of APIs. Now, we have web APIs, which lets programs exchange information over the internet, like when an app talks to an online service. You also have library APIs, which gives developers access to functions inside the software libraries. And we also have operating system APIs, which lets apps interact with the operating system, like how Windows or Android lets apps work on their platform. Now, the bottom line here is APIs are like the hidden communication channels that let software talk to each other smoothly. Without them, every connection between programs would be far more complicated and time consuming. And that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.